Hi, my name is Maria Andrea Lopez Gomez, and I'm a postdoctoral researcher here at the Center for Demographic Studies. I'm in the Health Inequalities Group under a Beatriz de Pinos Fellowship. I consider myself a social epidemiologist. I study the social causes of disease, and I'm specifically interested in occupational health, safety, and well-being. I study work-related factors and how they impact the health of workers and also their capacity to make a decent livelihood. I've been working with different worker populations throughout the years. Some of them include patient care workers, bus drivers, and fish harvesters and their capacity to make a decent livelihood. Right now, the project I'm working on is with the general population of Spain and their working lives, how it affects the unemployment, periods of unemployment, periods of inactivity, and how this affects their health and also their time at retirement in this discourse of delaying the retirement age. I'm very interested in social epidemiology because it really gets to the causes of the disease, and it is the cause of the cause of the cause. It is the root of the problem, and it's easier to make recommendations for prevention of how work can interact with other aspects of workers and improve their conditions at work. For example, how work intersects with gender, with race, with socioeconomic class, and also with education. We know that people with lower education have different opportunities than those with higher education, and so on and so forth. So yes, I'm very excited to be doing this at the Center for Demographic Studies.